So hello guys, so here we have admin dashboard. This is for e-commerce system. If you have an application where you sell products online, you find that when you are dealing with the products, creating, updating, and also seeing how things are going, this is the best dashboard that you can have. It's built on Flutter and Django. And also we have included Firebase for notifications, because if you want to implement the front end for user, you can use that code still, because it's not complete in the backend, but you can complete it. But soon we'll be uploading the part for the front end. So here we have the front end for admin that is built on using Flutter block and also Firebase and also Django for backend. So let us go through it and see how the application is looking and the functionalities and all the parts that it has. Welcome. So we have this part, the header section of the dashboard, where you have this drop down. You have this one part for showing the profile for the admin. Now we have these parts where you can manage account, you can change password, and also activity log. So we're gonna go here and check what is going on. So here you have the manage account. The manage account, you can change profile picture, you can select it from from maybe your pictures. Let us take for example, we have this something like, let us pick something like this one. We put it there. So let us see how it looks like. Now it looks like that. Then you can change the name, the username. You cannot change the email because that is read only. You can have the first name, last name, phone number, and etc. So because you have added the picture, let us now upload it to the backend. Let us see how it behaves. As you can see, it is showing the loading because now it is sending the image. Now you can see account updated successfully. Now this is the part for managing account. Let us go back and now have a look on this part of the dashboard. Here we have the cards that show total users, we have total orders, we have total sales that you have made in that maybe a day, week, month, or the year. So you can see low stock items, how many then out of stock, you can see here. Also you can see the rate at which maybe low and high are behaving. Also we have the percentage compared to the previous one. So that is how it looks like. Now we go here, still in the dashboard. We have this amazing and beautiful looking pie chart that is showing the performance of categories. Maybe you have different categories of your products. So you can see how it is behaving. You can see the sales here. You can see all the revenue that you can see. It has percentage. It has the amount you have sold. Yeah, and also we have this animated pie chart. So it is there. Then you can see detailed breakdown where you have sold maybe slippers, safe, 33 products, whatever. And also it continues like that. Then we have this one, alerts. This is for notifications where you can see products, how they are behaving. Now like this one, it's saying 4 products are critically low on stock. So you can see, then you can mark as red or you can close. Then we have this part for generating invoice. If you have an ID, you can use it to put it here. So then you can generate. For example, I will use one. So we're gonna use example of this ID. Let us paste here. This is how it looks like. Then you can generate. So let us wait and see what it's gonna generate. So invoice downloaded successfully. You can see it here. The invoice is for this person, Jennifer. It has the details for the customer, address, and the products. You can see that invoice. So that's a PDF. Now we have also the report. You can generate a report based, it's a CSV. Sales, you can have sales, inventory, users, any kind of report you want, from maybe date. Let us pick any date, maybe from which month. Let us pick, okay, this year month. Let us go back to March 1 up to date, up to today, date 2 April. So the moment you do that, you export. Wow, now this one is a CSV. You will get it to see the data from that period to that. Now let us go to the products page, where now we're gonna see the products and the functionalities that are in the products part. So in this page, you're gonna see the list of products. You can delete, you can bulk delete them, and also you can view the details. You can be able to see all your products. You can see those that are in stock by this part of this badge that is on your left corner, top left, and also you can see the prices. You can see the name of the product. You can see the category and also the reviews, and also we have the button to delete that product. So here you see it's a paginated page, so it has different pages. Like currently we have more than 300 products, and each page has 20 products. So that's why you can see the page, it's page 1 of 15. As you can see here, in this page we have the products, and in each product there's that product card where you have the status of the product, either in stock, out of stock, low stock, and etc. Also we have the rating, we have the name of the product, we have the price, and also the images. So the moment you come in this page, you're able to see your products. Also when you hover above the product, you can see the delete icon. So the moment you click that, you can delete. Yeah. Now let us apply the filters to see how it is behaving. Now we're gonna select the one of the categories. Let us pick lingerie case to see the products that are associated with that. As you can see, you're gonna get these products that are associated with that category. And then if you want to clear the filters, you just click the clear. Also you can do other filtering, like let us pick those products that are out of stock. Let us apply. As you can see, you are getting the products that are out of stock. So then the other thing that you can do here, apart from that, you can search your products. Like let us search this store gown. You press enter. As you can see, you are getting the gown, the product that you have searched. Now let us go and see the details for a product. When you click it like that, it opens the product details. As you can see here, we have the product details, we have the product images, we have this part where you can scroll the images that are in that product, or you can swipe. So also here you have the product name, the status, if it is active or not active, then category, yeah, then we have the price, then we have the cost that you bought the product with, then it gives you the margin, the difference between the buying price and selling price. Also you get the reviews based on what customers are reviewing your product. Then we have the stock. Currently there's no product that has been sold on this product. Also we have the variations where you have different colors, blue, coral, yellow, red, and etc, etc. Also sizes. Also when you look here down, we have the description of the product, we have the specifications which are here also, and also the reviews, total number of reviews and other things. Now you can click here edit to edit the product. So when you can add images, you can change, also you can change the name, you can change other things that you want to change. Yeah, so also there's this button for managing variations, where you can manage different variations of the product. Now this is the variations page, where you have different total variants of that product, in stock, out of stock, base price, etc, etc. Now we have this place where you can add the sizes that you want, and also we have this part where you can add variation name, and also the value. So then as you can see here below, we have the table for variations combinations, where you have the total stock, okay, generate SKUs, distribute stock, bulk update prices, set discounts, and also you can use these ones to change these properties here. So then after that you can click save variations, then you can go back to the product, where you can save it, save the changes, then you go back. So also you have this button for deleting. So now that is the part of the products. Also we have now, as you come back here, you can see we have the add product, where now you can create a new product, you can add images, you can set the initial stock, then product name, then as you can see here, you can choose from different categories. You can choose one of them, you can add. So in short, you can create any product that you want with the prices and other things. Managing variants, that is after you create the product, so that you can be able to have the ID of the product to create the variations. Then after that, we're gonna go to the categories feature. This is where now you have the categories you create. Maybe you have different categories. Maybe you have this category for dealing with the kids clothes. Maybe it's kind of fashion that is new. You can create that category by clicking here add. Also you have the refresh button, where you can refresh the page. Also you can search the categories, for example accessories, okay, get. So as you can see, you can be able to get the specific category. Also you can sort based on the active, inactive. Also you can choose from the list, okay, yeah, all categories. Then parent, based on if it has a parent, you'll be able to see, like for example this one has a parent, this one. So then we have the list. This we have this beautiful animation where when you scroll, you'll be able to see the categories. After that, we're gonna go to the analytics. So in analytics, this is where you're gonna see the analysis of your performance, based maybe how new customers, how your sales has been, and all other things that you have. Currently you can see the period, you can see the customers and other things. Now because here you can see no data for this period, you can change, because the auto it's for October. Now we can pick March where now we be able to see the analysis for that period. Now let us look for these graphs and be able to analyze it. It has a beautiful animation. You can see in the month of March we had this total orders, revenue, customers, average order, and this part now says revenue. So as you can see, we have this beautiful thing for showing that. Then we have this graph where now even if you can place your pointer here, you can see it is showing you some data. Then you can we have the different customers, VIP, we have the regular, and also the new customers. Also we have here inventory turnover. This is where now you can be able to see the inventory turnover based on the performance of the products. Maybe you want to know, like this month you can see the top performing products were this lavender, whatever. So were these products. Now we have this button for explaining. You can see inventory turnover measures how many times your inventory is sold and replaced over a period. High ratio indicates efficient inventory management. 6+, it's excellent. 4 to 6 is good. 2 to 4, and etc, etc. So then we have this revenue analysis. Maybe the default here it's monthly, but you can be able to check daily. When you click there for daily, you'll be able to see the revenue per day, how it is performing. And also we have this graph for showing that. You can see the last date, it was March 25, the orders 200, and also the revenue. So that is the part for analytics. Now we're gonna go to the order list. This is where now you're gonna get the orders that have been placed. This is where now you can sort them. You can be able to know the orders that were on this date, and also you can be able to see them. Like currently, let us check this one. By this clicking this eye, you'll be able to see the details for that product, for that order. So as you can see, we have the order ID, status, created at, and order type. So you'll be able to see all the products that were placed on that order. Now then you can come back here. So when you come back here, so let us sort, let us see the rejected orders, and also you can select more than one, but I will apply one. Let us see the one that I've selected to see the output rejected. They are here, and you can be able to click to see. So then you can reset the filter. Then you can check based on the order type, maybe on the date. The order type, maybe let us see, we select one or two so that we can be able to see. Let us select this and this one. Then we can come back here, we can come here and apply now so that we can be able to see them. Let us wait. You'll be able to see them. Yeah, it is like this type, only the dresses particular and the jewelry and etc. So that is how. Then we're gonna go to the product stock. This is now where you don't need to go in that page where you'll be able to see the product details, more details. This is where now you can come and maybe you want to see this product based on the list form. Now when you click it, it will show you the variations. You can delete them. Also here you can also delete, you can also edit. Yeah, and also you can search the product you want. For example, let us pick medium blue sandals. Medium blue sandals. Then you click search. Let us see. So as you can see, it is giving us the medium blue sandals only. Then it tells you search results for the medium blue. Then you're able to go back to the products. After that we have, so now we are going to see the inventory management system. So here we have the overview. So in the overview, you have the total products in stock, low stock, out of stock. So also you can see the top selling products, you can see the remaining, and also the range. Also you can see the recent adjustment, like this one was done by admin on this date at this time, and he subtracted 6 products because of one reason or the other. Now we have this part for quick actions. Now you can be able to click here to go to the tab for low stock, to view the out of stock, and also to view the recommendations. So also we have the bulk adjust stock, where you can create more stock for different products. You can adjust different products. Also we have the statistics here that is showing the different stocks. So we can click one of the view, like view out of stock. So the moment you click the out of stock, you get the list for the products that are out of stock. You can see the current stock is 0, and also you can click here, you can see the actions button. We have the plus, we have the settings. So the plus, it is adjust stock, where when you click that, you get this dialog. In this dialog, there we have the add stock, remove stock, set stock. Automatically in the out of stock, you're gonna add stock, then you're gonna give a reason and also submit. So you create the stock. Also when you go to the restock recommendations, you can get the recommendations that you need to add your products, and the current stock, the reorder point, and reorder quantity. So that is the work of that part. Also when you come back here, we have the low stock part. You can see the products that are in the low stock. So the last but not least, we are going to the invoice feature. This is one how you get the invoices of different customers. You can download them, you can print them. So when you click in any invoice like that one, you can see the details for that invoice. You have the name, you have the number, and also we have the products quantity at each product price, then the total, and also the subtotal, and also now the total. So when you click here, download the PDF, you're gonna download the PDF for that invoice. Now let us wait to see the output. It might take some time to download, so let's wait. Due to the internet, you might find that it is not downloading, but now it has downloaded. Let us see the invoice. As you look here, you can see the details for that invoice, all the invoice items, and also you can see this beautiful looking invoice. So this is the product, this is the project that I've been working on. If you want the code, you can get it from the link below. Thank you. Then when you download that code, what you get is the code for both front-end and back-end, and also you get the documentation and some images, and also the setup. So also you can support me, you can give me your gig either in Fiverr or either direct in my email and other parts. Like you can support me through even buy me coffee. Yeah, and let's continue this journey together and support each other. Thank you.